Dear students, today we have a very scoring topic to talk about, that is an application for job. And I advise you all, if in the option of a letter you get this application for job in option to any other kind of letter, I wish you all to attempt this because it is the most scoring kind of letter. These are most scoring kind of letters. Why? I'll explain. Because in such kind of letters, you have nothing to write by your own. Anything you don't have to write by your own. Whatever you will learn from here as it is, you will copy there, and you have make you will have to make minor changes, and with those minor changes you will be able to write a very good application for job, which will help you score 8, 9, even 10 out of 10 if you write with a good presentation, because presentation matters a lot. So let's start application for job. What are these letters and how we have to write? Application for job will have a question statement like this. This question of application for job will have two parts, one statement and second one advertisement. It will look like, write an application for job against the below given ad. Your Anil hash 53 sector 12 Noida, and you'll see this advertisement, and against this advertisement, the post mentioned in this advertisement, against that post you will have to write a letter applying for the job. This is how the statement will look like. You will obviously find three things in the statement of a letter. As with all formal letters, you will have to point out three things. Number one, sender's address. Second thing, receiver's address. And subject. In the statement, you have to search out and put it in format of a formal letter. Students, whatever starts with UR in the statement of a letter, that is always sender and sender's address. Here, after the word UR, it has been written Anil hash 53 sector 12 Noida. So this Anil is the sender and it is his address because it is written after UR. So take it always granted that sender's address you will always find after sender's name, written after the words UR, and you need to write this address right in the beginning, right on the top of a letter. And once you have written this sender's address, write date in the third line and then leave a line blank. Next, you have to find out receiver's address from this statement. Generally, in other kinds of formal letters, the wording goes like, write a letter to, and whatever comes after the line write a letter to, after that whatever we get, that is always a receiver and his address. But because it is an application for job, you will have to search out receiver from this statement. Obviously this DPS Noida, this will be the receiver, and any, if it is address of a school, then designation will go obviously like administrator or principal. You will mention here administrator or principal, then DPS sector 32 Noida. This is receiver's address in case of application for job, and in case of all other formal kind of letters, after the address or the designation given after the phrase write a letter to is always receiver's address. So next comes the subject. You will write salutation, respected sir, and next comes the subject, and subject will begin in the case of application for job, always like application for the job of, and the job written in the advertisement, application for the job of PGT English. After that, your job is almost done. What you have to do is simply to replace this job title here. Whichever kind of application you have to apply for, you have simply to change this post. Just suppose this statement is here before you, and in place of PGT English, something else like accountant's job is written. Then reading from here to here, you will find that nothing specific about job is there. Whatever is specific is this designation only. So replacing PGT English with the accountant, this application is good for the post, applying for the post of an accountant also, and not only for accountant, as many as you want to make. Replace it with the job of a sales manager. This wording is good for sales manager's application for job also. So this is a sample as well as generalized wordings. You have to learn this from this to here as it is word to word. No change you will need to do. Bit of changes in date you can do, because the date you mention here will be the date which you will write, means after a few days date compared to this one. Like if it is the 2nd August, then it is 4th August, because advertisement will come first and then you letter. So this is a thing you will take care of, and nothing is changeable here. As it is, you will have to mention, and it is to the point and straightforward. If you wish, I would explain it in Hindi also, because some students will find it easy to learn if it would be explained in Hindi. So I explain it. This is in response to your advertisement published in the Tribune on 22nd August 2020 regarding the post of PGT English in your school. तो ये इसका हिंदी मीनिंग क्या है कि मैं ये लेटर आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट जो द ट्रिब्यून के अंदर इस डेट को इस पोस्ट के बारे में पब्लिश हुई थी, मैं उसके रिस्पॉन्स में, रिप्लाई में, जवाब में ये लेटर लिख रहा हूँ. आई विश टू अप्लाई फॉर सेम. मैं उसी पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहता हूँ. आई एम इनक्लोजिंग हियर विद माय बायोडाटा फॉर योर काइंड कंसिडरेशन. मैं अपना बायोडाटा भी इस लेटर के साथ इंक्लूड कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप मुझे इसके मेरे कैंडिडेचर को विचार कर सकें. एंड आई अश्योर यू इफ सिलेक्टेड I shall do my best to come up to your expectation and prove myself when I set to your school. और मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि यदि मैं सिलेक्ट हो जाता हूँ तो मैं अपना बेस्ट से बेस्ट इनपुट दूंगा ताकि आपकी उम्मीदों पर मैं पूरा उतर सकूं और आपके स्कूल के लिए मैं एक एसेट मींस एक पूंजी एक के रूप में आपके सामने मैं अपने आप को पेश कर सकूं. फाइन. So next you will leave a line blank. Yours truly, Anil, and enclosure as above. In the post kind of letters of application for job, you will write in the end enclosure as above. Enclosure as above means you have mentioned that I am enclosing my biodata for your kind consideration. You have mentioned this line. So enclosed, you will enclose here your biodata with this letter. This letter actually has two parts. One, this one, you will do this as it is, as you have been taught here, and in the next part of the letter, you will write a biodata. In biodata, also on all all of the things are almost generalized with one focus on qualification, which would be job specific qualification you will mention. And in the next just after this, I tell you how to write a biodata. Just wait. So students, here is the second part of this application for job, that is biodata. Biodata is a very simple thing to write. This is a personal information, that same person's information who is applying for the job, and these are very basic details of a person who is going to apply for the job, like name, father name, date of birth, sex, marital status, permanent address, contact, educational qualification, hobbies, languages known, and references. These few details are here, and if any one out of these is missed, it is not a matter of concern. It will be fine if you miss any one out of these, but don't miss any important information like name. This is important one, father's name, date of birth. Then any one out of these can be missed. Permanent address, as you have already given the permanent address right in the top, in sender's address. Contact number, very important. Educational qualification, most important. Any one out of these three can be missed. It is not a matter of worry, but if you want to score well, I wish you all to write these all the details, and your presentation matters a lot. See, here presentation is good. Name, father's name, these all are going with proper indentation, and these columns are right in the center of the board, and on the other side is the detail given. There is nothing a lot to tell you about these details. You will mention here the same name will be there, which who is applying for the job. This can be any detail. Here you can fill according to the name, male, female, married, unmarried. You can fill any. Permanent address, the same one which was in sender's address. Contact number can be any. And this educational qualification, I must explain something. According to the job you are going to apply for, you will modify this part only, educational qualification. If you are applying, your letter application for job is meant for the job of an accountant, then you must change this qualification accordingly to suit with the qualification of an accountant. And if you are applying for the job of salesman, then this educational qualification should suit according to the qualification of a salesman. And this hobbies, you can write anything. Languages known, can be written anything. References, what is references means, besides the advertisement through which he came to know about the vacancy, some personal contact person, some person also gave the reference to join this institute. This means this thing. The references means that any known person who is commonly known to the authority of the institute where we are going to apply, and to the person who is applying for the job. This reference is the common person, means a mediator type of person, that who recommended the applier to apply for the job to this institute. So students, this letter ends here. It is very scoring, and I wish you all to practice writing one or two application for job. And in the first part, the body of the letter, the things written in the body of the letter you will cram as it is, so you need not make any modification or changes. So I wish you all to write 2 or 3 letters and do practice writing this application for job, because practice makes man perfect. And do subscribe, hit like and share the video uh, so that it will uplift my morale also. And if you have any problem understanding or any query regarding this application for job, do post me comment in the comment section and I definitely reply your queries. Thanks for watching. Thank you.